Hello friends, welcome to the Photoshop tips and tricks. Let me show you how to manipulate orange with zip in Photoshop. Let's start. First select the layer. Unhide it. Go to Select, and choose Subject. OK, the object selected, press Ctrl J to make a copy, and rename it Orange. Then rename the second layer to Shadow. Right-click on this thumbnail, and select Pixels. The object is selected. Now select the shadow. Then hold Alt and click to add mask on the layer. Hide this layer for now, select the shadow, and change the mode from normal to multiply. Now I must remove this upper edges. Click on the layer mask. Select the brush tool, then select the black color and brush to remove this edge. Unhide this layer. I have to remove these edges that can be seen below. Select the mask layer. Go to Filter, then Other, and choose Maximum. Set radius to 2 pixels to remove edges. Then click OK. Go to the second image. Select this zip. Go to Edit, and copy. Come back to our image, and paste here. Bring up the layer. Then go to Select, and choose Color Range. Now select Background Color. Set the fuzziness to 50, and click OK. This is selected. Select Magic Wand tool, and click here to select outside of zip range. Zoom in here and select the white area. Uncheck the contiguous, then click to select all the same area. Also click and select here. Select Lasso tool. Then hold Alt and deselect here. Hold Alt and click to add a mask on the layer. Select Move tool, and press Ctrl T to scale the size, and adjust the position. Now select the orange layer, and click to add a layer mask. Then hold Ctrl and click on this mask. The zip is selected. Go to Select, and inverse the selection. Select the orange layer mask. Select the brush tool, the color is black. Then brush to remove inside the zip. Right-click on this layer, and choose Create Clipping Mask. Change the mode to Multiply. And this is the result. Hope you liked it. Please follow me for more useful and effective videos. Thanks for watching.